Your flip-flop is going away. It's sailing away. Get it? Put it on. You're going to lose it. No, put it on. Quit playing. You're going to lose it. It's going to go down the street. It's gone. You better go get it. It's going to be gone. I'm not going to go get it.
Bye, flip-flop. See ya.
You're not going to be allowed to go that far because I'm not going to let you go get it. Go, now, before it gets out of Bruce's yard. Hurry. Get it.
It's raining again.
Come on, it's raining harder. Let's go inside. Whee! Come on. Let's go get Missy. Come on. Careful. Come on. This way. Hey, Yuna. I love you.